Hello again, Lance. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you like different names of like people na love ng masang Pinoy, then give me your impression about them.
Okay.
Yeah. Beanie.
Oh, I love Beanie. You know, in Lasal, we don't always talk in shortcuts. So in school, instead of saying Beanie, for the teachers, we call them Beanie. But yeah, I love Beanie. I love Salamin, Pantropico, and the new song, Cherry.
Yeah. Can you sing the ano chorus?
Mahiwa kang salamin.
Hindi, Cherry.
Not yet.
Cherry on top something.
Yeah,
Inaral ko yun.
But I like it. It's a bop.
Yeah.
I support K-pop. I'm really a big supporter of K-pop. And I really wish that talagang kung ano inabot ng K-pop, makakayanan din natin yan.
Yeah.
Go, Beanie!
How about Jude Bacalzo?
Oh, her. Well, I think naman by now alam na niya yung naging effect ng ginawa. I think it's also a reminder to all of us na huwag tayong impulsive. Kasi minsan hindi talaga nangyayari kahit na sa aming mga artista that we get offended.
Yeah.
We always have the choice to burst and show a surge of emotion. Pero sometimes you have to think of the consequence before doing something. Buti na lang na-master ko na rin.
Yeah.
It's just that. But I think, everybody learns something about the incident. So, if it's about misgendering na rin, I guess people know na rin na this generation of, people outside of different genders really hope naman na ma-identify sila as what they want to be identified as. So, let's respect it.
Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino.
Sila na, diba?
I'm not sure about that. I don't know, you asked them.
They look good together.
Yeah. Is that the impression they're giving you? Na
Yeah, I actually thought they're together because they look good together. And si Paolo is parang medyo reserved na Kim Chiu is kind of funny, quirky. So yung mga ganong klaseng combo sa akin. Kasi yung extra ko ganun din. That's why I really click.